Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are still in the Acha series, and in this video I'll be showing you all how to prepare stir fry Acha or Fonio. So sit back and enjoy. So I'll be using 1 cup of Acha. I actually purchased this one from the local market. I'll be adding enough water to it in order to give it a good rinse. In order to make this video lengthy, you can watch my previous video where I showed how to wash your Acha very properly to be sand free. I'll be adding the link to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out because you need to wash your Acha to be sand free just so you don't end up eating sand, okay? So moving forward, for 1 cup of Acha, I'll be using 1 cup of water as well. I'll just cover the pan and allow it to get to a rolling boil. Okay, it's boiling already, so I'll be transferring our washed Acha into the pan. If you are making use of the packaged ones, there is totally no need for you to wash it. I'll also be adding little vegetable oil and some salt to taste, then gently mix everything together and allow it to cook. So this is 5 minutes later and the water in the Acha is reduced, so I'll just gently fluff out everything just so you don't stick to each other. This is the more reason why you need to use equal ratio of water to Acha. Just in case you want to cook about 5 cup of Acha, you need to use 5 cup of water as well. 3 cup of Acha, 3 cup of water. And Acha doesn't take too long to get ready. Okay, this is good. I'll just gently set it aside. So next I'll be transferring little vegetable oil to my pan on medium heat. I'll also be adding some diced onion and allow it to fry. I'll also be adding a little ginger and garlic paste for more flavor and some scotch bonnet pepper as well for heat. Then mix everything together and allow it to fry. For my choice of protein, I'll be using hake fish, popularly known as spangler fish. You can choose to use any protein of your choice. Also go ahead at this moment to season up everything together using little curry powder, thyme, salt and seasoning powder. I'll also be adding carrots for extra crunch. Then mix everything together and allow it to fry for 2 minutes. So at this stage, I'll be adding our cooked Acha. Then mix everything together. Acha is actually a very healthy food that is packed with lots of vital and essential nutrients, and it's highly recommended for diabetic patients since it has a low glycemic index compared to other grain. I also made a video on this channel concerning the health benefits of consuming Acha. I'll be adding the link to the description box down below as well, so please do ensure you check it out. So for more nutrients and flavor, I'll be adding bell pepper and onion. I'll also be adding a little water to it, then cover and allow it to steam up. Okay, this is 2 minutes later, so I'll just go ahead and mix everything together. So that's it guys, our stir fried Acha, it's pretty much ready. This is looking so yummy. Thank you very much guys for joining us today in our Acha series. There are lots and lots of recipes that will be upcoming in this channel concerning how to prepare your Acha, so please be sure to stay connected with us, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this will be a perfect moment for you to do so by clicking the subscribe button down below and also turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified when I upload those videos. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.